Hi guys, this is a demo video to show you how do I repair the 2.8mm modules. The example I'm using right now is the black pearl 2.8mm modules from ROE. Firstly, we remove the shaders and then we use the heater to remove the bad pixel. So unfortunately, we found that one soldering pad is missing due to physical damage. So we have to remove the good pixel next to it to establish connections. We use the fresh solder to clean the PCB board after taking pixels out. Then we are going to cut a circuit paper exactly this size to establish new connections to fix this bad soldering pads. After putting on the PCB board, we need to put soldering again to make the paper is fixed to the PCB board. Then we put flux on it. The purpose of flux is to prevent the new pixels we are putting on not going to be blown away by the heater. Special attention has to be paid when we put the new pixels on it because there is always a direction of the pixels. After putting away, we will use the heater to warm them up. During this process, with the help of the soldering flux, these two pixels are going to be lined up automatically. And we're going to press them to make sure that the surface of the pixel is even. Then we're going to put back to the frame to do the test to make sure it working properly. After confirming, we're going to put the shaders back, and then that's it. If you have further doubts or if you need help for you to repair in the United States, feel free to give me a phone call today. I can be reached at 323-687-5550. Again, 323-687-5550. Thank you.